Yo.
Bing. If your dick can make any noise when getting an erection, what would it be?
Shoo-wee!
So it's a gang sign. That's very close to a gang soo-woo, I believe.
Can you imagine if that's that's the thing that you fucked up on when you were born? Like that's your like superpower. Every time in 6th grade, someone's like, Becky walks in with like new boobs that you haven't seen before, and she comes in after summer, and all of a sudden you hear "Sue!"
It sounds like a fucking Migos song in the classroom. Mama Sue! The whole class is going fucking wild.
Yo, mama's
Mama! That would be so funny.
That would be a horrible sound for your dick to get aroused to. Just saying "mama." Oh God.
Well,
what would yours be?
I think maybe like a garage door opening.
Just that slow.
It's anticlimactic. It's like what movie intro is that? Dun dun dun.
Jaws.
Dun dun dun.
Oh, dun 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 dun.
21st Century Fox.
Yeah, 20. That would be.
I'm gonna do that for my dick. I'm gonna do that for my dick.
That's a
so
pretty good one.
like, where's the movie starting on the train? You just see your eyes smiling. Dun, 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 dun. Also, that makes the dick game see amazing.
Oh yeah.
Because if it's quick and short, then you're like, well, it's gonna be quick and short. But if it's like elaborated, like it's like a fucking build up, like Stairway to Heaven or something.
Right, that's good. And when you're younger, dude, you get hard for everything. So I would just walk up to a girl and be like, hey, what's the time? And she would be like 6:45, and I'd be like, "Sue-wee!" Like it would just fucking get hard off nothing, dude.
That'd be so funny. That'd be so weird for parents. It's just like 4:30 a.m. They're getting up to make a cup of coffee and they cheer from their son's room. So, Michael, Michael,
you try to put a pillow over to muffle it, and you just like, shut up, dude. God damn it.
You do it into like a can, try to save it for later. Do you ever try to fart in a can growing up and save it for later?
First of all, fucking no, dude.
Well, come on.
I haven't.
That's in like every American Pie movie ever.
Yeah, but I haven't. Okay.
You gotta try once.
Well, does it keep?
No.
Oh, okay.
But you think.